Hi class, today we're just going to show a very short, easy test that you can do. One is Catalase and one is Oxidase. So let's take a look at the Oxidase first. So the theory behind this, guys, is if the bacteria actually produces a cytochrome oxidase, we will be able to detect a beautiful dark blue color on our dry slide. So I'm going to just use a disposable loupe for this today, guys. You'll be doing this by a flame with your regular loupe. So take a little bit of your bacteria out, dab it right on the dry slide. And as you start to scratch on here, guys, you're going to break the emulsion. And I think you can see, you're starting to see a little bit of color already starting to show up on here. And again, as I mentioned, blue is positive. Now the blue has to come up within 30 seconds, and that came up most certainly even before 30 seconds. Beautiful. So that's our positive for the oxidase. For the catalase, if catalase is produced, and remember that's one of those enzymes that any microbe that uses oxygen has to produce. It'll break down hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. What we will see then as a result is bubbles. So you just need to take a little bit of the bacteria, dab it on a glass slide, microscope slide, and just add one drop of hydrogen peroxide. And if you see bubbles, and you can clearly see with a little bit of a mix, a lot of bubbles on this one, guys. It's an obligate aerobe. Alright, so bubbles for catalase, and look at how dark blue that oxidase got. And that's it for this.